Welcome guys and gals to another episode of MRC, Motorcycle Rides in California. And as I told you, different things, different stuff was happening on the channel, and I'm upgrading my helmet. I'm going for my bell, that which I've had for quite some time, and I wanted to kind of make things a little different. I wanted to kind of make things new. So guys, I'm going from this to that. So now this is my new helmet. I picked Ruroc ATLAS 2.0, and this is a video based on my review of this brand new helmet. So guys, before we dive into it, again, check out my videos, see that I'm all about rides in California. I'm all about enjoying and having fun and trying new products. So Ruroc is going to be my new helmet. I'm not sponsored by them. This is just my review. So guys, I hope you enjoy. Take care. Okay guys and gals, here's my new helmet, the Ruroc ATLAS 2.0. Now, right off the bat, you guys are gonna see, this is an absolute beautiful helmet. And this is the packaging you'll get when you do get the actual helmet itself. But here, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and show you. Now, before I begin, I'm gonna give you already a hint. I've already opened it, I've already used it, because I wanted to give you guys a fair shot. So here you go. Boom. There it is, guys and gals. Already, look at how beautiful this truly is. The ATLAS 2.0, and this is actually the case it comes in, and you know what, I tell you, it's really nice. So we'll look at that in a second, but really, it comes also with another visor, little sticker set, which is actually really cool. This is the instructions with it. It's actually, when you open this up, it tells you what's what and how it goes. And then again, like I said, see, I gave a spoiler already. I already said I already opened it. So guys, when you're going to go into this, you're going to notice right off the bat on how truly beautiful this helmet is and how easy it is to use. Let's go ahead and open it so you guys get an idea of this helmet. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is just gorgeous. Now, one thing you're going to notice, again, this helmet and how light it is. It really is light. It's not only has a feel that it's really well quality made and it's not just some cheap plastic, but you can just feel that in itself it actually has some beautifulness to it. You know, some forethought that was put into designing it into it. But now, like I said, I'm cheating already. I already came in, it came with actually the dark visor. It comes originally with the clear, so you have to switch them out. But I tell you, when I had to give it a shot. I had to see what was what with this helmet, how it all worked. But this is the clear visor, by the way. It's the exact same thing, but you know, look at that. Now, what I really appreciate about this helmet is, see the anti-fog? You can get them and it's already ready, set to go. Already set there. So you can have it and install it. Was the simplicity of the helmet itself. When you put it on, this is absolutely in itself, the peripheral is absolutely perfect. When you're looking straight ahead and you want to really see what's going on, no problem. But it's looking up. You know how sometimes we have a hard time always seeing all the way up? This vision, it just literally makes it so much easier to see. And Also, the simplicity of this coming off. Literally, it's, oh, see, it's the other way, sorry. Turn that one, that pops out. Turn this one, same thing, that literally arrow tells you, that pops out. And literally, it comes out off, that easy. I mean, and then when you want to change out the visor, this little guy is actually really easy. All you have to do is just basically pop these off. And they do come off pretty easy. You feel like you're gonna break it, but they just come right off. And then that's how you put on the new one, especially with the clear. Pop that on. And then this, you know, again, this stays, there's no issue there. Pop that guy right there. Then this guy, there's a little, by the way, there's a little thing right here. See, you can see it where it goes, perfect. And then you just lock it back on, done.
Lock it back on.
So this is a very simplistic, easy review of this helmet. I tell you, it is, so far, I've enjoyed every single bit of this helmet and what it can deliver. One thing about this helmet that has really marked the difference between all the other helmets, for me personally, not only is this chin cover that really kind of isolates and keeps you really, the wind knocking you not so it's there, but really this feel that it gives you, you feel comforted, you feel really comfortable about this helmet. The ears, the ear piecing right here, I mean, that's, I'm going to show you guys again later. I'll be showing you guys the speakers, but I got the little Bluetooth. It gives it to you, a little setup here that you can go and install your own Wi-Fi or Bluetooth thing so you can listen to music. But man, I tell you, it is such a beautiful, fun, easy helmet. Now, one thing about this helmet that really marks it a little different than most is you drop about $450 for this helmet. Now, if you have, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it up, if you have the Shoei, if you have the A-Rai, you have AGV, they all come out with top of the line helmets that you're gonna be spending $699 to over $1,000 for some of those helmets. This helmet right here, in my opinion, is absolutely perfect middle weight that you want. It does do all the wind reduction. It does everything that's kind of needed when it comes down to making the helmet work. It's a great helmet, but again, you spend $1,000, you're going to be getting a helmet that's a little bit more snug. The padding itself is going to be a little better quality made. It will be a little bit lighter, but not much. This helmet is light, and in general, to me, it's, you spend like the Shoei Air, I think is what it is, the Air 2 or something like that, you're gonna be dropping $699. Now, yes, it is a little bit better quality, but really though, for $450, you can't beat this price. You can't. This helmet is everything that it is supposed to be. The only thing that I want to say on this helmet that I did not dig, that's interesting, but again, I'm just using it, you really don't have a way to closing the vents, but you do. You have to order their little caps that go on the inside of the helmet that you actually can plug these little ports. So you can shut the air from fully coming in. So on a winter night, it would be better, right? Because summer, this is perfect, but winter, you're gonna freeze. So I'm just telling you guys right off the bat, this is something I've noticed Atlas has chosen to, Ruroc has chosen to, with their Atlas 2.0, to really do a massive upgrade and to enjoy this helmet. The other thing actually I wanted to add, most helmets when you purchase them don't come with 2 visors. So this one automatically comes with a clear one, but it comes with a dark one with it. How many helmets do that? Most of the time you have to spend an additional $40 or $60 to get the darker lens or glass or reflective, whatever it is. Atlas 2.0 comes with the dark tint, and again with the fog setup already integrated inside of it. You can see the little tabs, so it's ready for anti-fog that you can order. You can do all that fun stuff. But guys, how many helmets do that? Ruroc did. Ruroc is the one who did it. And if you want to get your own Ruroc Atlas 2.0, November they had a big huge sale, but if you missed it, apologize, but always look on their website. They do have sales here and there, but just go to Ruroc.com, create an account, and once you get the helmet, you're going to see all the amenities. Also, you can get more with it, plus all the different designs. It is definitely something that I went from going from my Bell to my Ruroc. It's worth it. So guys, that's my video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video on getting your brand new Ruroc 2 Atlas 2.0, sorry. If you do get it, please leave a like, do a subscribe and all that fun stuff. Core Black, forgot the name, that's what this one's called. They have the carbon fiber, clear carbon fiber, but that one you drop a little bit more money, and then they just came out with the gloss carbon. But anyways, enjoy guys, take care.